If you're trying to verify your WhatsApp and log in, but you're not getting your OTP or the verification code in your phone number, this is what you exactly need to do. The first thing what you need to do is just check your phone's network signal. Sometimes in your house or wherever you are, the signal from your cellular network could be bad. So just get on the rooftop or just get to the open or just get on the road or something and see where you could get a stronger network connection, and you should get the OTP or the verification code. If that doesn't work, what I would suggest is just get back home or just sit down somewhere in the park and then just restart your phone. After you restart your phone, you go ahead and clear your app cache and then try to see if you could verify your WhatsApp again out there. Okay, if that doesn't work, what I would suggest is uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Do that. Sometimes that actually helps your phone to clear all the data of that specific application, and when you reinstall it, it starts working. If none of these methods are working, just go ahead and use the call me option to get an automated call, and in that call you are going to get the code. You could just keep a pen and paper handy, just write down the code and then verify your WhatsApp account. If you have tried all of these methods and still you're not getting your verification code, it means that you have blocked unknown numbers, or you have opted in for DND service, or a do not disturb service from your phone's network provider. Okay, so what you could do is call up the customer support for your network provider and ask them to opt you out from this DND service or do not disturb service. So once you are opted out, then you will definitely get a call or an SMS from WhatsApp and you could verify and log in. I hope these methods help you. If you are still not able to get your verification code, do send me an email so that we can do a research further and find out as to how we could fix this major issue. Take care, my friend.